Okay guys, so today we're gonna build a house in Bloxburg. I'm just gonna get rid of that house and then buy a new house. I mean build a new house, okay? So guys, if you are new here, subscribe, comment your Roblox username down below and hit the subscribe button so I can do a Roblox giveaway so you guys can play Bloxburg sometimes with me. Okay, now going to build mode. I don't have the multiple floors or anything, so I'm just gonna build a house. Just gonna make a simple house. I don't like this house. 1,000 on the wall. My mom asked me to do a YouTube channel and post to make money so I can buy you guys Robux and I can buy whatever I want at GameStop. Whoa. So I'm just gonna throw away everything so we can buy a new house. Oh. Why is there a... Oh my gosh. My cousin is wasting my money. Okay, I'm going to throw everything and then just gonna start. Okay, now this take a long time and my fan is broken. I don't know what to do now, so okay, so just gonna build a wall. gonna make it a pretty house. Okay, I'm just gonna make a cute house that looks like my old house. Okay, just let that be first. Going to throw okay, that is so cool. Yes, and this is gonna be at my room. Just gonna make it this color because I love the color, you know. I think I should make it okay, just gonna use that. So you know this bouquet. Guys, subscribe. Just gonna have 5 seconds to subscribe or I will delete the Roblox account. Just subscribe. I'm just gonna make this light stone gray or a little white. I think I'm gonna use a little white. Yeah. Okay, this is my room, so I'm just gonna make my cousin room. He likes blue, so I'm just gonna use light blue. Yeah. Then get wall. Yeah. You know what? I really want to, like play with this bouquet. But no, now she's live streaming and I can't do it because I'm too late for her. Just want to join the link, but it gave me to the ADPD with random strangers. I just want to be like her. I just want to make money. My family. You know, cannot afford a limo, but she can afford everything. You know, afford PC or the laptop. That even my great grandfather's laptop, he gave me the laptop to do. I just cannot tell you guys how I feel about my family. It feels like I'm okay. I'm gonna build this on my own, so I'm just gonna pause this first. Hey guys, I have done with my house, so you guys wanna see the result? It's kind of funny. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! This is the living room without floor. This is the kitchen. And this is the bathroom. This is my cousin's room. And I forgot to put the light because we almost sprang up. This is my room, huh? Okay, that's the tutorial. Bye guys, see you soon.